guidance and control. Complete area basically is covered in the area of avionics in RCA. And most of the people who have been our partners, they are here. I could see most of the people, including Dr. Subbarao, who has been instrumental in delivering majority of these products to different projects. And each subsystem has further subsystems, and there are a number of sensors involved in the overall missile system. And you can see the number of products, including ring laser gyros, fiber optic gyros, IER seekers, RF seekers, navigation systems, and various type of navigation systems, is a representative of one particular missile. And like this, we have now more than 30 missions that are going on parallelly. Though initially started as an integrated guided missile development program in 1982 by Dr. Kalam with 5 projects. Now the whole thing has changed. The scenario has changed so much that almost every year we are launching about 4 to 5 new projects. And number of products are basically I have shown. Now coming to Agni, it was actually a technology demonstrator initially, but now you can see Agni 1, 2, 3 already in production. Agni 4, recently we had third flight and kept ready for production. And Agni 5 will be having very shortly one more this one to clear. And so you can say a number of variants of Agni basically have gone into the production, and various projects subsystems like navigation or control and all, they have been already come to a matured stage where industry can take over fully and then deliver for the production part. So like the Prithvi series, you have a number of variants are there. Dhanush is one of the variants of the Prithvi series. You have Prithvi 1, Prithvi 2, Dhanush, then you have next AD, that air defense mechanisms, and number of variants further coming up in the name of Prahar or many other projects. And so number of opportunities are there in Agni series as well as the Prithvi series. BrahMos, one of the very successful joint venture of DRDO, and you have already most of the projects are in the production, though some of the new variants are being tested. Most of the things are in production. As BrahMos is a separate company, they have launched, and most of the industries they are participating in this already. Akash again is one of the successful missions, and entire thing is being produced by PDL now in this one with the help of number of partners from the strategic sector in the electronics industry as well as mechanical side, and almost more than I think 2000 plus missiles are being produced within the country for the first time with of this large magnitude. North is again almost at the verge of getting into the production. We will have a large user trials, final user trials in the month of July or August, and after that it is getting into a production mode, and the requirement is again used more than 4,000-5,000 missiles in the country. Number of software products have been developed for all these hardware supporting the missions, number of missions. In fact, more than 250 odd electronic products basically are being used in defense now presently in the missile cluster alone. And if you take avionics, aircraft industry and other areas in Bangalore, the number of products in the strategic sector has been tremendous way it has grown. These are the present day inertial navigation systems, the RLD based navigation, which has been proven in Agni 4 and 5 with a very high accuracy after 5,000 kilometers also, maybe less than even 2-digit kind of a thing we could achieve. And next is FOG based. You have fiber optic, indigenously developed fiber optic gyro based number of variants again they are there. Again you have MEMS based and the GPS GLONASS based products. Most of the things are familiar to our partners who are already here. And it says I am only just giving an introduction that there are a number of opportunities in the strategic sector, but lot of requirements are there. And the navigation system has been MEMS and RINs put together.